rafting. Tell them turbo. The guy hold me on the corner. Tony Montana. Fat Mr. Rios.
In 700 meters, turn right.
So we've arrived. Calypso rafting stuff. Nice like a bench or so. The river down there. Alright, we're going down the hill. Everyone has their life jackets for the untrained swimmers. If right is a bad picture, boy. Right is enough. Right is up. Here we have the rafts. We're gonna get in that. Shema! Oh no! Mama! Let's sit up on the river now. Can't find the box now, just forget the music, yeah, man. Because you are, that's what you deserve. Pick it and gone. Turn away. Please me one thing, please me yearning, please me before the end of the night, I wanna hold you so tight. You know I want you so much. And ketchup. Now we're on a break. Swim, do whatever you want, and then just but I don't swim. What? I say, Julia, let me get rubbed down here now. A video still. Yeah, Julia.
Compare between me and you. Since 16, young nigga been rich. Nigga just turned 20, still having this shit. Fuck everybody hating, I'm the realest he get. Me, my sons.
Now she's looking for a bamboo to write her name and initials. If she can find it within a year's time, then she'll drink for free.
Step somewhere if you want to go up, if you find it. Yeah. I understand. Step on the stump, go up on the stump. Yeah. Alright.
Right there.
That's all?
Oh, wait. Yeah. J.
Initial. 26.
GS. Like me have a nush to such.
Right?
Like
And then you have 2026.
oh my gosh, I must put 26.
Under.
26 under?
Yeah. Alright, take a picture.
Still good on here. So, we are taking leader now.
One nation, young, black, and dangerous.
Come and know.
One nation, young, black, and dangerous.
Your nation just trying to get this.
I always thought I have to
Here we
die
have
to
like
do a
some
record with pop. So I
spots
wrote from the
we can chill
perspective of a this to get right back up. Snatch you out the casket, once in my eyes, peeking through my cabin.
Next side.
Jokey!
Turn the face around, look on him. Turn. Back up here, it's a nice
He looks nice, man. It's a vibe. Yeah, man, take your control, cause she not ready for this. Take it, man. She not ready. Here you have it. Jamaica flag or something. Other one over the side. It's a vibe, more people. Alright, so right down there now. Finish that. Come on, thanks and respect.
The experience was very good.
Don't dog. Now we're getting some KFC.